Hello everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Messenger not popping up. To know how to fix or how to solve Messenger not popping up, you should just go to settings. Here in this page you click apps, default apps, app settings. When you'll find this list, you will search about the application of Messenger. Here in this page of app info, you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Here we go to click storage. Then this list you click clear cache and be attention, don't click clear data because that can make errors on your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you soon in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.